Hey friends, this is Atif Opirval and welcome to the new update on LDO. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that LDO has broken out another falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price and got rejected by this long-term resistance of $2.72. We have this resistance here that has been previously working as a very strong and long-term support here for several months. And before that, it had been working at a resistance here. And now you can see that after the breakout, again, it worked at a resistance. At the same time, the price line also got rejected by this upper bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud, this red cloud. And after this rejection, the price line has tested the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support and geared up. At the same time, you can see that MACD is also turning bullish. We have finally received this crossover between this blue line and the orange line. Previously, when we received this crossover from the oversold zone, then you can see that we had a very nice rally in the price and broke out the resistance. Before that, by the way, we received this crossover here from the oversold zone, but at the same time, it was having a very strong resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud and this resistance of $3.35 and this resistance of falling wedge pattern as well, and the pricing got rejected. Therefore, you can see that it was once again entered the oversold zone, and then we again received another crossover. Then we had a very nice rally and broke out this red. This time, you can see that when we have received this crossover and MACD is turning bullish, at the same time, we are also breaking out this very massive resistance of the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. Therefore, this time, this MACD crossover has a very high significance. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for LDO that I shared on 23rd of May 2024 with my members. And this move produced almost 33% very massive pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signal for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description for the previous month of May 2024. You can also check that report as well. Now let me to take you first to my most recent trade signal for LDO that I shared on 23rd of May 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal setup, a harmonic bullish reversal bad move that LDO completed with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying on and the sell targets on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone. This was, by the way, quite powerful pump, and this was almost 33% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of LDO, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that previously LDO had been moving inside this very big falling wedge pattern, not this one, this one. And after breaking out this wedge on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we had a very nice rally. The technical target for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern was here at the top of the wedge, and you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target and got stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. And when the movement was again quite squeezed inside this wedge, in those days I've been telling you that now there is a very high probability that soon we may also break out this next falling wedge pattern as well. And you can see that we broke out this wedge but could not break out this long-term resistance of $2.72 that has been previously working as a very strong long-term support here and resistance here. And now again, it worked as a resistance. At the same time, the price line is also rejected by the resistance of the upper bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud. And now after testing the support of the lower bands of this bearish cloud, it is geared up and now it is trying to break out the resistance, the upper bands resistance of this Ichimoku bearish cloud on this 7 days time frame chart. At the same time, you can see that we have received the MACD crossover. Therefore, this time there is a very high probability that soon we may also have a closing above this resistance of the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and soon the price then may try to break out the next resistance of $2.72, a very significant resistance, by the way. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for this recent breakout from this falling wedge pattern, that long-term and technical target can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be between $3.70 to $4. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well and for more trading signals. You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.